Hey guys, welcome back to the Hands-On channel. I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a little follow-up, and you can probably see it's been raining out here pretty good. It's been lightning like crazy, and I've gotten several alerts on my phone for emergency flash flood warnings and stuff, all this. So anyways, I thought we'd go over and take a look at the rain catchment system. This is the first time I've actually gotten some good rain, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the GoPro in the case so that I can get out here in the rain, because it's kind of been coming all at once. You know, it's been real heavy. So they've actually closed down a couple of roads in the city and stuff, but I'm in a good spot here. I'm on fairly high ground, so the only thing I have to worry about is back here in the back. When we first bought this house, I had to put a ditch back there because so much water was coming down from the neighbors' houses back behind me here. There's another neighborhood back here behind us. There's a street that runs down. There's my cat trying to sneak in. I got distracted there. He's trying to sneak in the house. I'm not going to let it happen though. Get out of here. Go get in that greenhouse. Anyways, there's a street back behind here that when it rains real heavy, it acts like a big gutter and pours it right toward basically this corner of my property over here. So we had to go in. I went and rented a skid steer and cleaned all that out. Made a little ditch back there, and it's done pretty well. Between that and the guttering and stuff like that, that has helped a lot as far as keeping this backyard from having too much standing water. And you can see I've got a little bit right there, but that's because I've got it kind of all channeled right there. So anyways, we're looking good. So next up, we'll go over and check out the rain catchment system. I'm excited to show you this.